G'day all. Now, this arrived in the mail today. So I'm pretty lucky. I've just taken the plastic that comes in the plastic wrapping on it, and that's all I've done here. So this is the first opening of a production run NR retooling by SDS. So, okay, this is interesting. Comes with instructions how to work your headlights, so that's fair. And then it's got the same box type thing, cab end, all fairly obvious. Yes, I bought myself one of the NR30 models. The only reason I've got this little fella is I'm going to model it as in about 2009, I believe, just before it got repainted. And so then the decal will go there. I'll take the national rail off the side there. But there we go. So this is how it comes out. So obviously in the production versions, they've got these little foam things here. So, oops, oh, there you go. Here we go. Okay, so they're just normal everyday garden variety foam. Turn around the other side. Open her up. There we go. Now, here we are, and of course, as soon as you do some video work, the dogs need to see everything, and you don't. Sit down. So there's the little plates, the hinge plate there for the, let's use the word running board. So that's the pipe side. That's the loco. Okay. There's the pokey detail. There we are. Oh. Okay. And there we got the. Look at that detail. Okay. So I'm using an Apple phone, so some of the colours will wash out a tiny bit as it tries to balance, so they're really not that yellow. It is what it is. There's your other side. So this is the cable side, using Gnan vernacular. So, now again, I apologise for the colour balance, because that's one of those things. Anyway, there you are. So that's it out of the box. Just going to see if I can. I'm told you're supposed to be able to take the bogey off here. Sorry, the couplers. And that should release the body. So we're going to give this a go. Alright, so that comes out okay. Normal everyday garden variety. KD coupler. Nice. And they're metal. Woohoo! Take out the other one here. Of course, there's another dog. So theory being is supposedly you can take this off. So what I will do is, I'm not quite sure whether you have to take those two out as well. You can see right in there. Okay. Now there was mention of the frame width on another video, and you might be able to see there that the frame width is actually correct in there. They've pushed it back, which I think is really cool. Same down the other side here. Right, so I'm not sure that it's supposed to go that way. So now this is soft, by the way, so it's not massively hard. So I would suggest that if you're going to work on your locomotive, do not use it on a hard surface, or you will crack the detail on the top. So the I think that's just going to take those off there, I think. So what I will do is I'll do what I normally do with these things. I've got fairly adept at it. And that is separating these fellas. So, little screwdriver. Just separate the distance there. Sorry about that. It's just two dogs having a fight over toys. There we go. Okay, so you'll see the back of this loco is starting to come up. You can just wedge her up, like so. Turn it around. Same thing on this side. Here we go. Getting close. You see this is starting to separate here. I've got a big one. Here we go. There we are. Just like that. There you are. Right. Now you'll see. That's the 21 pinner. So you just lift that off, and the same deal goes. You can just pop that up like so and just remove it. The lighting, you'll see there, there's a bit of what have you. And now ever so gently just lift this fella up. There we go. Bingo. And of course you just put your favourite chip in there and bingo bango. But there you go. So that's I'll give you a close look at the body. Look at already put the darkened detail even in there. I've done a detail you're probably never going to see. There's that bit there, and then we'll just do that side there. So there you go. So look at that. Okay, so that's how you take a SDS retooled locomotive apart. Don't worry about the couplers because that don't matter. I didn't think it did, and happy days. So grab those little fellas there. Put your favourite DCC controller in there, or chip as we call them, and you're away. All right, so there's a little bit of an unwrapping for you and how to do it, how to take the body off. All right, enjoy.